Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll see how to write a Python program to print this number pattern. So shape of this pattern is square. Number of row is equal to number of column, and the number we want to print in this pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in row 1, first row. In the second row also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the third row also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in every row we want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the output when we take number of row or number of column as 5. But in the column here we can see in the first column we want to print 1. In the second column we want to print 2. In the third column we want to print 3. In the fourth column we want to print 4. In the fifth column we want to print 5. If I take row number and column number like this, 0th column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. In every column here we can see I want to print column plus 1 as the number, right? Just for an example, when column is 0, I want to print 1. When column is 1, I want to print 2. So number is column plus 1. Okay, so this is about our pattern. Next, let's write the Python program. Okay, so in the IDLE, the first step in pattern program is taking the input from the user. The shape of our pattern is square, so you can ask the user to enter the number of row or number of column. Both are same. Let's take a variable and I'll use input function. I'll mention number of row. You can take number of column also. And here I'm using Python 3, so I need to convert my input to int. Okay, so this is the first step in our pattern programs. The second step is we need to use nested for loops. First I need to take the for loop for row. Inside that I need to take the for loop for column. So for, I'll take variable name as row and range. Here I need to mention how many row we want in our output. We want num rows, right? We ask the user to enter the number of row, so we want num rows. Next, take the for loop for column and I'll take the variable name as col, and here I need to mention how many column I want in my output. Here we want num number of column because our pattern shape is square, number of row is equal to number of column. Alright, next use print function to print the number. Number is column plus 1, right? I need to mention column plus 1 here. Followed by here I need to take end is equal to empty string, or you can take space. Why? That is because in print function the default value of end parameter is /n. That is, after printing a value it will go to the next line. Control will go to the next line. But here we want to print the numbers in the same line in a row. So while printing numbers in a row, we want to print the number one after the another. That's why here we need to change the end value. Alright, done. Next, outside the for loop for column, inside the for loop for row. So inside the first for loop, I need to use print function. Why? That is because after printing a row, I need to go to the next line to print the values or numbers in the next line, next row. When I take print function, default value of end is /n here. So control will go to the next line. Okay, so we are done with the program. If you have any confusion, you can watch the previous tutorial. In that I explained every point in detail. Alright, so now let's execute this program. First save this program. You can press Ctrl S or you can go to file and save, and next run this program. So you can mention number of row. I'll take 5, and here you can see the output. If I take number of row as 7, here you can see the output. Okay, so this is about this program. First take the input from the user, next use 2 for loops. Alright, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.